Let's show you how to speed up or slow down certain sections of your video. One thing to note before starting: using the speed tool will remove any narration on the section we change, so it's best to use the tool before you add or replace narration. First, go to the point in the timeline where you want to start your speed change. Click the Tools button, select Speed, and then the Speed Up or Slow Down option, or you can hit the S key on your keyboard and then U or D to start the tool. Select the section to speed up or down by dragging the purple bar along the timeline. Select how much faster or slower to run the video by using the arrows here. You can preview what the speed change will look like by clicking on the Preview button here. If everything looks good, hit OK here or Enter on your keyboard. A colored span will show on the timeline indicating the placement of the speed change. If you want to change or remove it, you can seek back to that spot on the timeline. Click this icon, which will bring up a menu with another icon you can press to remove the speed change, or to adjust the change using these arrows.